lying down on your back in as comfortable a position as you can get. We're looking to find that balance of being as relaxed as we can possibly get without falling asleep. So let's start off just bringing some attention to our breathing. Just noting the rising and falling of the belly. Making any micro adjustments you feel you need with your posture. Making sure your lower back feels okay. Release any bit of tightness in the shoulders. And bring some awareness to your jaw, around your mouth and chin. Making sure that's relaxed and you're not holding that tight and tense. The breath is slow, deep, calm. Let your exhales be really long and relaxing. We're going to just be rotating our awareness through the body, not linking the movements with the breath, just bringing your attention, following the guidance of my voice, and just feeling into the body. So as if we unhook our awareness from our thoughts, emotions, feelings, and we just bring it into the body. So starting off, bring your attention to the right thumb, the index finger, the middle finger, the third finger, and the pinky. Feeling the palm of the hand and the back of the hand. Feeling the right wrist, the right forearm, the right elbow. Feeling the right bicep and tricep. The shoulder. And slowly coming down the right side of the torso. Feeling the right armpit. The ribs on your right side. The obliques. The right hip bone. Feeling the upper part of the right leg, the front and back. The right knee. The right lower leg, front and back. Feeling into the right foot. The heel and ankle. The arch, top and outside. In the sole of the right foot, the bottom. Feeling into the right big toe, second toe, middle toe, fourth toe, and pinky toe. Now bring your attention to the left thumb, the index finger, the middle finger, the third finger, and the pinky. Feeling the left palm and the back of the hand. Feeling the left wrist. The left forearm. The left elbow. The bicep and tricep. And up to the left shoulder. Feeling the left armpit. The ribs on the left. The obliques, the space between the ribs and the hip bone, and feeling into the left hip bone. Coming in, feeling the upper part of the left leg. thighs and the hamstrings. Feeling into the left knee, the left lower leg, calf muscle, and the shin. Feeling the heel, the ankle. Feel the arch of the left foot, and the top of the left foot. The left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and pinky toe. Bring your awareness now to the torso. Feeling the lower belly. Feel the lower back. Feeling the ribs and sternum. Feel into the mid-back. Feel into the upper chest. And into the upper back. Feel the whole right side, the right arm, the right leg, and the right part of your torso. Breathe in and feel, and relax. Bring your awareness to the left side of your body, the left arm, left leg, left side of the torso. Feeling into the whole torso as one. Everything from the lower belly up through the upper chest and even to the clavicles. And then as you exhale, you feel the whole back. The scapula, the shoulder blades, down to the mid-back and lower back. Bring your attention to the throat, the neck. Feel the ears, the left ear and the right ear. The chin and jaw. The left cheek and the right cheek. The nose. Feel the forehead. Bring your attention to the temples, the side of the left eye and side of the right eye. Bring your attention to that spot between the eyebrows, that third eye point. Breathing in, feeling the eyes. Let the eyes go soft, so they're not just closed, but they soften. Bring your awareness to the whole face at once. Just feel into the face. Face just part of the body, not as part of your self-image or self-identity, and you're just dissolving the face and your self-image. Let it go. Let go of any holding on, any tightness or tension. Let it go. Bring your attention to the skull, the whole head. Feel into the skull, into the brain. Now feeling into the whole body as one. Everything from the tips of the toes, up the legs, tips of the fingers, up through the arms, the pelvic region, up through the torso, up through the neck and throat, up through the face and head. Just saturating the body with your awareness as if it just lights up. And as we close off this practice, bring your awareness to your emotional state right now. Connect with this feeling of being relaxed and calm. Acknowledging the importance of this relaxed state for your health and well-being. That cultivating this relaxed state is an essential health practice and wellness. That you could return to this type of practice anytime throughout your day. Bringing your awareness into the body. Training relaxation, training awareness, cultivating these qualities for a calm, mindful state. And you can take this state with you through the rest of your day or evening. And slowly come out of the practice. Move in the body very slowly, any way you feel necessary. Making a nice transition phase in between your formal meditation practice and the rest of your day or evening. Thanks for joining me.